Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗵𝗵 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. NYMEX crude oil price upward rally stopped at major resistance at $75, the bearish falling channel that appears on the chart, to rebound bearishly and settle below the support at $70 and expected to resume bearish trend to head towards achieving negative target at $68 and $65 in near term. MCX crude oil price settled below 6,000 level along with trendline breakdown to keep the bearish trend scenario valid and active for the upcoming session period. However, key support hold at 5,800 level and break below will drag the price further down till 5,600 and 5,300 level in near term. On the way up, key resistance hold at 6,050 level and break above will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator MACD is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.